Hello, this is Explore More Adventures. We're going parasailing.
Alright, what are we doing?
Parasailing.
We're gonna have fun, right?
Yeah.
No crying, right?
Nope.
Nope. Good morning, Payson.
Hola.
Are you ready to go parasailing?
I'm scared.
You're scared? A little? Are you gonna cry?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, he will.
No, I won't.
I promise you'll forgive us later.
Look at Sparrow, she's like bobbing her head.
She's bobbing her head, she's fine. She's having a ball.
Sorry, I got a problem here. I'm working on it. I'm trying.
We're trying! Watch for the sharks!
Oh, he didn't like it. I got it, Vic. What do you think, buddy?
How was it, buddy? How was it? Good job! How was it?
Good job.
Alright! How was it, buddy? Where's my high five? Yeah!